welcome to another box break here on DynastyCentral Sports. And yes, even though after last time I ripped this product, it just raw dogged me.
Oh, that's nasty.
Upper Deck is gonna try to make it better by sending me some replacement hits. But for now, I am not gonna shy away from opening up another box of 22-23 artifacts.
I am shocked.
Of course it is artifacts. It's one of my favorite products, I guess. It's definitely, this season is definitely one of the more fun seasons, even though last box, yes, they fisted me. They fisted me good. They even fisted me and put their little fingers out to get some maximum reach.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
But this box I got from Valley Sports Cards in Tarzana, California. Go check them out if you're in there, in the area. And big ups to my buddy Connor with the fatty hands for letting me search through the stack and pick out which ones I wanted. I got two, so we got two coming up on the channel. Let's get ripped. I want to give a shout out to my buddy Standing Ovation. Go check out his channel on YouTube. Dude rips almost daily now, and he is awesome ripper, a great guy from Vancouver Island, Canada, BC. So go check him out. A great channel. He's growing. Give him a sub. Give him some love. And to answer your question, yes, I do have a fuck ton of fillers. We got Timmy Stutzla, which started off last box, which scares me. We got Philip Tomasino, Ely Tolvanen, which we all know that's the next card. We got a filler, a gorgeous filler, PSA 9. And then what's right behind there? Let's see. Artifacts. Is that Linus Allmark? Linus Allmark, number 6 out of 599. Stars insert. En route to possible first Vezina trophy. Maddie Chucker. Blake Coleman, Calgary boys. We got Willie Nylander. Great filler. And behind Coleman is Copper Autumn, Copper or Autumn. And 23 on Florida, Carter Verhaeghe. Yeah, Carter Verhaeghe, number 55 out of 75, Autumn. Marcus Foligno, which is, this is how scary this last box is. It's starting to scare me. Jordan Binnington. Nicholas Backstrom. We got a filler and we got a rookie redemption coming up. Retro rookie redemption. I'll take that. That's a nice one. And that's number 8. I'll take that. That's a good one. At least it's a parallel retro rookie redemption. We'll give it a pedestal for now since that's pretty much all we got. We got one more pack left and then we're going to rip a bowl. We got Jeremy Swayman and then looks like one of those tech cards behind there. So let's see. Adam Fox, filler, and tech card. It looks like it might be a leather. And number 10, Artemi Panarin. Yep.
420. Get as high as possible.
Artemi Panarin, and that's a wood.
We got that good wood.
So I got wood.
Great.
Has anyone made that joke yet? I don't know how anyone hasn't made that joke yet. But we pulled wood. I'll post this on OnlyFans later too, just in case I get flagged. Alright, we'll give it a pedestal just for now. Russian wood up on the pedestal. Alright, let's rip a bowl. We got one more stack left, and hopefully this box has something better so it doesn't make me look like Artifacts made me into a fucking hand puppet twice. I don't want to be. We got David Ference, What's after that? Martin Necas filler. The next card is that gold or yellow? Pecorine?
You're right again.
Yeah, Pecorine dual jersey, 96 out of 149. At least we're hitting mems this time. Last time we didn't get any mems or tech cards. So this time we're hitting the ones. I can't complain to UD now that they're giving me shit cards.
Jeez, that's terrible.
At least I got something here. We got the Pecker right after we got Wood. Pecorine dual jersey, yellow swatch. Chris Letang, horseface fuck. Filler. Looks like a dual Tundra teammates or Tundra duos. Probably a jersey card. Yeah, because it's not thick enough to be a patch, but it's dual Tundra duos. 86 and 20, Sebastian Aho and Teuvo Teravainen.
Nope.
Wrong!
Sebastian Aho and Martin Necas, sorry. What number is he? 65?
No way.
85 maybe?
Not this time.
Martin Necas, dual Tundra teammates, duos, jersey card. That's number 38 out of 249, both napkin swatches. Well, at least I can knock the redemption down, but this one...
Wait for it. Keep waiting.
88. Martin Necas is number 88. All right, 2 packs left. We'll do a last pack slow roll. If I'm getting fucked in this box, I might as well slow roll it. Jacob Slavin, Alex Newhook, Mitch Marner. We got a filler and red rookie Lucas Dostal. 235 out of 499 Ruby rookie Lucas Dostal. Last pack. This box of 22-23 artifacts, and I think we're hitting a lull. And somehow I'm just getting supplied with some weak ass packs or something. I don't know. Yeah, and the best hit is a Tundra teammates duo Necas and Aho, and both napkin swatches. The rookie redemption should be okay depending on who number 8 is. But all right, last pack. You know what we'll do? Yeah, it's lights, music, slow roll. Josh Anderson, Tyler Bertuzzi, Lil Mac, Nathan McKinnon, filler.
I'm gonna come.
Ruby or Autumn. Evgeny Malkin. 154 out of 299. Evgeny Malkin. Copper. All right, well, that was the last pack slow roll, and that was another box that I would slide into the mediocre DMs. I would slide them right into there, and I would definitely leave them on red because this one was not as good. Let's go over the sleeved up cards. We got the Copper Evgeny Malkin out of 299, the Autumn Carter Verhaeghe out of 75, and Linus Ullmark out of 599. Regular Pecorine dual jersey 96 out of 149. Yellow swatches for everyone. All right, we got a retro rookie redemption for number 8. Don't know who it is, but we'll find out. Lucas Dostal rookie Ruby 235 out of 499. I got Wood. Artemi Panarin Wood parallel. and a Tundra Teammates Duos. Number 38 out of 249, Martin Natchez and Sebastian Aho. We got white napkins over here, eating ribs.
What is wrong with you?
So what did you think was the best hit of the box? Well, I probably think the Rookie Redemption, depending on what the name is, should be a good one, but redemptions are pretty boring to look at. So let's go and say goodbye with a Woody. Artemi Panarin, Wood Parallel. I think you know what I think of it, but let me know down in the comments. But first, smash like down below, hit subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. I really appreciate every view, every comment. Trying to catch up with all the comments. You guys, a lot of comments coming in. I appreciate all the love, and do not stop commenting. I will reply eventually. Thank you for supporting, and I do read every comment. And remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you